Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Code. Code करे बिना डरे. So guys, I am Sanskriti Panda and I am here with a new video. And in this video, we are going to discuss about one course that is on blockchain. So guys, this course is provided by Adronic Solution. So I will describe all the things about this course, how to get this course, how to get the certificate of this course. For that, be with me till the end of this video. So guys, before starting with the video, I want to request all my viewers to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Guys, you will get a lot of videos that will help you to grow up in your technical field. So please do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Guys, let me show you the portal of the video. I will give this link of this website in my description box, and you will get the please do check the description box to get the link. Guys, Ironic Solution is one website which provides you various quizzes, various courses, and it also provides you some of the projects, the projects of machine learning. Here you can get the total description about the project. You will get all the steps that you need to do to get that project and all. So it is very beneficial website for all the technocrats. So guys, here you can see that there is one course called blockchain quiz. So please do, I have already enrolled for the course, that's why by clicking on my courses I can get this course. I will provide you the link on the description. By clicking on that link you can also get that course. So I am opening that course. Here you can see that here is the get started option is given over here. Basically it is one quiz that consists of 15 questions, and after attempting that quiz you can get the certificate. There is no such criteria like you have to secure this much of marks to get the certificate and all. You just have to attempt the quiz to get the marks. Before this, guys, you can also get some of the topics, some of the description about blockchain, so that you can get a clear knowledge about the topic. And you guys must know that blockchain is a very trending technology in today's era. So many of the viewers are requesting us to bring some of the course or certification in the field of blockchain, so this may help them, and the guys who were not aware about the technology, they can also get facilitated from this quiz. So guys, to get the certificate I just have to attempt the quiz. So I will tell you all the answers to all the question of this quiz, and you can easily get the certificate. So guys, you can see here. So guys, here you can see that I have already answered the questions, and after attempting all the question I just have to click here on check result. Here you can see that all the results has been displayed over my screen, and you can observe that all the questions, all the answers are correct. Here the score is displayed over here that you got 15 out of 15 correct. Yeah, so that's great. After this you just have to if you have not attempted all the question, or if you have missed some, then you can take again the quiz, or else to get the certificate. Here you can see that one certificate column is displaying over here, so just click on that column. You have completed 0%. Okay, so from this point you just have completed the quiz, and to get the certificate you also have to complete the course of this blockchain. So to complete the course you just have to go to the video portal, and you just have to click on that video and go through that one. So to get the certificate, here you can see that there is one checkbox, so you just have to click on this checkbox. And previously it was showing that previously it was showing that 0% completed, you have completed 0% of the course. So after clicking on this checkbox, you can now observe that it will show you, well done, congratulations, you are now eligible to download the course completion certificate. So you just have to click on get certificate, and here you can see that your certificate has been downloaded, and this is to certify that I have successfully completed the online course on the certificate for blockchain quiz. And you can also get the certificate to click, you have to click on download to get the certificate downloaded in your laptop. So that's all guys, thank you so much for listening to this video, and if you like this video then please do hit on the like button, share this video with your friends so that they can also get this quiz and get the certificate with them. So thank you so much, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.